Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create text action on your CORSAIR M65 RGB Ultra button. So first, here we have our mouse. Let me quickly just make it a little bit bigger so you guys can see it. Here we can go to home and make sure that we are on the key assignments. So here we have our mouse M65 RGB Ultra. We're gonna click on key assignments, and here we can choose our buttons. So for example, first we wanna click on the plus button. Here we can remap some keyboard words, but we are interested in going for a macro. So we can choose our button. I'll choose, for example, the sniper button, which is this button right here. Let me show you the red one. So this is our sniper button, and we can start recording right now, and I want to say welcome. So let's try it again. Let's just delete it, and let's just delete all events. Welcome. And now, as you guys can see, we can stop recording, and this is our assignment. So now I'll go here, press on the sniper button, and it says welcome. Of course, we can do it a bit more. So and as you guys can see, now I'll stop recording. We're gonna go here and press on the sniper button. So let me quickly show you the button. Here we have it. Once I press it, as you guys can see, it all just works. So that's how you guys can create the text action here. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.